Okay, this is Eric Bain, and hope all is well with you guys. This is a little brief discussion on how to get help with your writing. Most of you doing very well, but a few of you could use a little assistance. So we have it for you here. We have everything you need at Trident. Check this out. Come over here on your home screen. Click under My Resources. Go to Writing Workshop. Whoa, check this out. Writing Workshop. You have so much information here, it's not funny. You can go anywhere you want in here. You can do the proofreading if you want. And there's so much information on how to proofread your work, which is so great. We have recording information in here. I'll stop this. Okay. I mean, there's just so much. Okay. Let me see if I can go back. Watch later maybe, huh? Or get rid of this guy, huh? Yeah, I'm glad of there. So there's that. Let's go back into Writing Workshop again. There it is. We can go through here together. Introduction, why writing matters. All right, the writing process. All this is such a help for you, not just here at TUI, but in your jobs, in your careers. All right, they have little exercises you can work at, how to write a better paragraph. Get yourself better and do it while you're here at TUI. There is so much here. Wow, not that long, right? Let's go back over here. We also have our own writing style guide. Check this out. All right, it's 18 pages. You can go through it. All right, you could download it, all the information. This is really a wonderful, wonderful resource. All right, I promised you, I told you it would be short and sweet. And I wasn't kidding, was I? Best of luck. Enjoy what you're learning here. I want to see you guys improving your writing. There's no reason that you can't write perfect papers. You all have the ability. Let's end it out now.